We are now on day 2 of this hellacious weekend, and things have just been absolutely going crazy. For those of you that have been kind of keeping up with what's been going on, we now have 2 employees that have food poisoning. I am one of them, and I'm just like, I've been throwing up this morning, but it settled down, so that's at least good. 3 people with car issues, 1 employee that I fired, 1 hotel that's been a royal pain in my ass. And yeah, so now we're on the way to Mount Dora at Lake Receptions for Leesburg's prom. And my crew has been cut down significantly. So hopefully we get done in time. We'll see what happens. But yeah, stay tuned and you guys know the deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, etc. But yeah.
Too busy counting money. 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 Don't need in the J car. Don't need in the Lamb. You don't need me with ounce. You don't need me with gram. Do it for you, whatever you do. Just make sure you do all you can. It's exciting when you get to the money. See that bitch hit like a zan. Please.
One eternity later.
So it's been absolutely a nightmare today. We had venues that were just acting weird. One venue that decided to the last minute to say that they needed a different kind of insurance and that we never cleared confetti with them, even though at all the paperwork this shows otherwise. Another venue that said that there's not enough room in there for a dance floor and a DJ, so the DJ and photo booth should go outside. Seriously, outside, like literally afuera. Meanwhile, though, my school here has been killing it. I'm at Lake Receptions. The place is absolutely amazing. We're about to start, and I am rushing as quickly as I can. So, it got bad enough, of course. Obviously, we had 1 employee that we fired, and then the other one not doing so good from the night before. I guess she got major food poisoning. So, yeah, we're dealing with that right now. But we have somebody that's going to come in, help us break down. I might reroute some technicians over here because we got a lot of pipe and drape to go through. But my team absolutely killed it. No complaints on them. They rocked. So we're going to start in a little bit. I will kind of give you a walkthrough of the overall setup. And let's do this. Hey everybody, Ronaldo off here, 4 schools only. We are at Leesburg's 2019 prom during our appropriately named Stuck on I-4 prom tour. I want to show you a little bit of the theme that's going on. Tonight's theme is a whole night at the MET Gala, and boy do they do a lot. We really focus on the art theme, showcasing like the museum part of the MET. For that, you'll see our beautiful crystal entrance. We piped and draped everything inside the reception. Come on out. So we recreated the traditional museum look by going all black pipe and drape all the way down. Now the students brought in paintings which we hung in. We have the red rope stations, and by dimming all the lights down and using the pin spots, we're able to highlight each individual painting, including the world's greatest painting, Starry Night, further in. So the students are going to walk all the way down over here. You'll see the school pay very close attention to the detail by recreating the signs that you find in museums that tell you a little bit about each individual painting. Again, more road stations, more of our pin spot lighting. And now let's go inside. Now the lights have not been dimmed yet because the staff is just getting everything cleaned up. But you can see the beautiful chair covers and sashes that we provided in. The students did a great job tying these together. They opted to do that themselves. Saves quite a bit of money by having them do it themselves. And here we do have our traditional Club Extreme Plus package. It's a larger version of our Club Extreme. And we also pipe and drape the whole room. You can see the white all the way around, plus the black, minus the fire exits. And then a little bit of double drape by the DJ area, which we're still cleaning up. So once the whole room is completely dark, it's gonna be beautiful in here. Lots of bright, vivid colors, lots of black lights to make everything in here pop. And that is Leesburg's 2019 prom here at Lake Receptions in Mount Dora, part of our 2019 Stuck on I-4 prom tour. If you have any questions, comments, or if you want to know what it means to rock with the best, give us a call at 863-703-0357, phone number down below, or check us out on the web at 4schoolsonly.com, hashtag 4schoolsonly. Thanks again and God bless.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is a tank, and it's made it black, got the horses black and white.
Let's go!
Wants to get down like that.
Let's go to okay, let's go to real hard.
I go hard.
Let's go.
Baby, stank it up. What the thinking? I won't drive. I said, going hard, game. See Gucci, that's my Gucci, that's my Gucci. I ain't in the bells, in them hits, boy.
Who's called me? Coochie head, coochie fit so sick. That's a gift from my independent chick. Yes, sir. So Dusty, please don't bother me. I got independent dimes on my mind. Who's called me? Coochie head, coochie fit.
Bananas, this shit is bananas. This shit is bananas. This shit is bananas.
Do it, wobble, do it, bro. Please, do your thing, let it run. Do it, wobble, do it, bro. Do it, shine. Let's go. All right,
To what we've got, it doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love.
how's it go?
We'll give it a shot.
I say. a senior. So now find the people that are important to you, your friends, your loved ones, and share this last song with them. Do not leave anybody behind. Juniors, seniors, whatever. Do not let anybody sit for the song. Pull everybody out for this one. When the night has come, and the land is gone. Now put your hands up right now, seniors, juniors, everybody. Sing it twice again now, twice again. How's it go? Come on. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, stand by me. Put him up, put him up, put him up, put him up. Let's get crazy now. Put him up, put him up, put him up, put him up. Wow, now. Seniors, seniors, where you at? Let's go, let's go! Hands up! Hey, yeah, yeah! Que no pare la fiesta! Scream it now! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Que no pare la fiesta! Don't stop the party! Ladies and gentlemen, we got 1 minute left! I want to feel everybody jump. Let's go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, play. Hey. Let me hear you. Hey. Higher, 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 higher. Now, grab as many glow sticks as you can as we get ready to do the final countdown. It has been my pleasure to spin for you guys tonight. My name's DJ Crazy with the 4 Schools Only crew. Now, both hands up right now, count down, and look at the camera up on stage. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, your 2019 prom! Hey y'all, that is how Lake County does a prom right there. There ain't no school like Leesburg. Thank you all so much. And y'all make some noise for the real MVP, Miss Mac, right here. She did all this for y'all.
Oh my goodness, this team is killing it. All this has been broken down and it's been about 3 hours. We're kind of struggling because we're all dead tired, but they worked hard.
Too busy counting money. Hey. Too busy counting money. Too busy counting money. Too busy counting money. Too busy counting money.
Too busy counting money. Hold up, leave me the alone. Stay jumping different time zones. Ain't about money that way. Gone. I don't have time I can't get back. Gone. I don't have time for you little chit chat. Yeah. Just being honest, my future gotta make sense. Yeah. Don't make dollars, then it don't make sense.
There it is. All right, y'all, let's close this up. Aaron, Bob Ross. This venue has been absolutely incredible and patient. And have a good night. Thank you. Thanks again for watching. You guys know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Especially if you want to see more videos like this. Have a good night. God bless. God bless. My goodness, I'm tired. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Gear It First, honest reviews, incredible gig logs, lots of tips and tricks, and more
more tutorials than any other YouTube channel. I guarantee it, or your money back.
Too busy counting money.